to fall off track. Help us remember.
What's going on, guys? How you doing today? Hope you guys can see me just fine. As soon as we get into the game, we'll get onto this. For right now, we are gonna get on to the. Alright, today we're playing this game. I have no idea what it's called. We are playing this game. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I will go ahead and this game loads fast. Alright guys, go ahead and comment down below what you want me to be. And I want you to say. Alright, someone says fire department. Somebody else says police. Somebody else says medical. Someone says FBI squad. Sorry guys, squad is off the list. I press it. Alright, see how many votes. Fire department. Everyone's kind of saying everyone wants me to be fire department. Got 2 people fire department, 2 people police, 3 people going once, going twice, 3 people fire department, going once, going twice. So I'm gonna be coming fire. Let's go ahead and get rid of all of that. Hold on 1 second, guys. We're gonna go. The light on might be able to see me a lot better with this light off. There we go. That's probably a lot of it better. So I hope you guys can see me just fine. I hope so. If not, let me know down in the comments below. What is going on here? Guys, I did not spawn these. Well, we'll figure it out here in a little bit. Hold on. Just 1 minute. Sorry if you guys hear sirens. There we go. We're gonna get rid of these cars. It don't take long to get rid of all these cars. So I'm gonna have to come in and grab the join a different session, guys. Join a different session because my mouse got stuck in the middle. I gotta have this on the side. So we're gonna what should we, alright, I'll get back to you guys when I find a different session. Welcome back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, come here. Alright, I'm back in a different session. I'm going to join the fire department team. Doesn't sound like it's getting too crazy over there right now. There's only 1 person on there, but now there's 2 people in here. Don't look like it got too crazy. We're going to go ahead and walk on outside. We are going to grab our little friend ladder truck here. This game might be a little slow, but we can handle it. Let's go ahead and let's get rid of that. We can pull on our sirens and stuff. The second one's a siren actually. So we're gonna be going out. It's on to the fire right now. We gotta find the fires because I hate this. They don't give you a map. somebody is crashed right here, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop out. Looks like one of our fire trucks has been flipped over. Right now we gotta spawn to a fire right now because I hear a beeping going off. Yeah, we gotta get to this fire. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and spawn to this fire right now. Okay, guys, we're gonna be spawning to this one fire. We have actually got to find this fire. I don't actually know where it's at. I zoomed out. I might just have to type in chat. I don't know. Is there anyone else? If I find it, there's one more person in this place. In here. That personal picture. There's a person in there. We're looking for the fire department fire right now. We're getting near, really close to Siren. I know we just went around the block. This part's really icy, so that's why it's drooped in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a turn here, because sometimes there's usually fire right down this way. Would help. I don't know where we're gonna go next. Let's see where we can find this fire. So, we're gonna find this fire. Oh, hold on, we better turn on a siren so these cops know. Following me to this fire. Oh, that's a nice bridge right there. I think they're trying to lead me to the fire here, but we're going to the fire. There's a voice on fire. Oh, this is an icy road. We're looking for the fire right now. Might be just false alarm. It's down this way. Someone is actually like following us, so we better turn these on here. We're heading to the fire. We're trying to find the fire now. The police is following us, so I'm gonna turn these on until we know where we gotta put these fires at. I was thinking about going into that house, but this officer's following me to see where this fire's at. I'm looking for the fire right now. He's trying to help me find it. He's following me and he's trying to help me. We're gonna turn around and follow this other fire truck right now. This could be active. Anyways, guys, there's gonna be an episode 2 of this. It took a while to find this fire, so this is gonna take a while to find it. I hope you guys have a good night. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.